listen. Give me food cooked by a robot, true. Listen to the sound, I don't want licking you, cause I don't want that humans touching my food. The most don't care and they flex bare rude. Let the robots cook over dudes. Robots ain't giving it bare truth. Nah, you see the robot.
Good morning to all. This is Kesharesh from 8th grade. The topic name is LED pattern using ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor is helps for VGR colors.
This is T-board, this is cable, this is T-board connector, this is big breadboard, this is small breadboard, this is jump wires, this is ultrasonic sensors module. Thank you.
This is a T-board which connected to the multiple sensor module, and this pattern we are using ultrasonic sensor module, and there are jumpered wires are 3 types: male to female, male to male. We are using and female to male. Thank you.
There are 2 types of the breadboards. First one is big breadboard. They look like this, like positive and negative. Second one is small breadboard. They look like this, like.
This is ultrasonic sensor which is used to glow LED lights.
This is a USB cable. We have to connect this in CPU. After that, this is the indication of a T-board. Green light is nothing but it is a working condition, and we have to keep a male to female. We have to keep in 12 1, and after that we have to connect and 16, and we have to connect here. Ultrasonic sensor we have to keep in a T-board. After that, this is a file is nothing but compiling the code, and this is a upload. We have to upload the code. This is a LED pattern. This is a T-board. We have to have that output.